Hi everyone and my YouTube family. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I made cucumber stew, white rice and air-fried fish, and I hope you will like this. This video is one of the videos that I've been making since this Christmas. I made a list of videos and I've been working on it. I've been working hard to make sure that I'm putting them out, and I hope you will like them. So sit back and watch the rest of the video. I hope everything is going as planned. And I want to say thank you to you, all my viewers, my subscribers, and everyone that have been helping me out. I hope you have plans for this Christmas. Please enjoy it while it lasts. If you have watched this video to this end, please like this video to allow YouTube to send it out to other people, and then subscribe to our channel if you like what we're doing. There are other videos I made for this season, this Christmas season. I'm going to leave the link on the description box and also on the screen. Be sure to watch them and choose whichever one that works for you. Until we meet again, have a great day. Thank you.